What is up mga ka-tech shop? So for today's video mga ka-tech shop, we will be fixing a doorknob. So we'll show you how to install a Sherlock brand doorknob. Alright, so if you're interested in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go. So let's remove the screws for this doorknob. There's two screws. Once you remove it, you can now remove the handle. So first thing that we'll need to do is do physical inspection. And then after doing a physical inspection, I realized that we can no longer fix this doorknob because as you can see, that gray metal part is already broken. It's supposed to be attached on that metal part inside that handle, the handle outside of the doorknob. So we can no longer fix it, so we'll have to buy a new one. So I'll just put back the screw, and we went to the mall to buy a new one, and I bought Sherlock brand. Sherlock brand is worth 455 pesos only. Let's go ahead and install it to this door. Let's remove the screws. All the screws, basically. Once you remove it, we are now ready to install the doorknob.
Sherlock brand,
It's a Sherlock brand. It's worth 455 pesos only on the mall. Alright. So we'll start working on the metal plate, which is attached to the edge of the door. And as you can see, I put a glue gun. So this glue will act as a Torx screw, since the screw is no longer holding properly. So I used glue gun, so it's gonna hold properly the screw, and it's gonna be solid when screw is attached. That glue gun will act as a Torx screw instead of actual Torx screw. Then put on the screws. This job is easy, so you can do it yourself. I did a test, seems to be working and aligned properly. Now we can go ahead and assemble the doorknob. I remove the screw. This will hold the other handle of the doorknob. So the handle that face inside the room or the house. And then put on the handle. And for this particular doorknob, it's gonna be difficult to screw, so you'll have to be extra patient. Alright, once it is done, we'll have to test it just to make sure it's gonna lock properly and secure the house. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go!